Hey there, it's Henry from Pippin World. Today I want to show you how you can make one of this Midsommar crown, a completely modular flower crown system that you can mix and match and customize yourself. The crown uses a universal clip-in system with expandable flower sets that will be released over time. Right now there is 3 flower types that all clips on and twist like now. Depending on the flower type, some uses 2 petals, some uses 1, but at the end of the day, it's up to you how many petals you want to use to create the depth that you want to use for your crown. All you need to do is press in and twist and secure the petals onto the flower bud itself. Right now we have daisies, poppies and wild rose on the flower system collection. For leaf type, we have fern and birch spring. Once you have printed out and assembled the flowers, all you need to do is press in and twist for a secure hold on the crown band. As I said, because this is modular, you can really just go with any design you want. You can just print out all daisies if you want a pure daisy crown. And that's it. Once it's all fixed on, it should not fall out, and all that remains is for you to enjoy and wear it however you want. You can customize this further with different filler and color, and that's it. See you next time.